What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, the parts you can see and touch. This includes devices like the monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, printer, hard disk, etc. Hardware is essential for the functioning of the computer. It works with software, which gives instructions to perform tasks. Input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. Common input devices include keyboard, used to type text and commands. Mouse, used to point, click, and interact with items on the screen. Scanner, converts physical documents into digital form. Microphone, captures sound input. Webcam, captures video input. Touchscreen, acts as both input and output by detecting touch. These devices help users to communicate with the computer system. Output devices. Output devices display or present the processed data, information, to the user. Examples of output devices: monitor, VDU displays text, images, and video output. Printer, produces hard copies of documents. Speakers, output sound. Projector, displays content on a larger screen. They allow users to see, hear, or physically receive the result of the computer's work.